Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Hope you're well, hope you're safe. Today we're going to make this fantastic and really easy chicken and spinach pasta in a lovely cream sauce. As you saw, just drop some fresh parmesan on the top. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So here I've got my spinach. I'm using a fresh spinach. If you're going to use fresh spinach, make sure you clean it nicely in water because lots of bits of grit and dirt are in those leaves. So give it a nice little rinse out. If you want, you could be using canned or frozen even. Pasta, you can use any type of pasta you want. Get that ready and cook because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. 1 onion sliced, I'm using a red one there. 1 teaspoon of oregano dried, you could be changing that to a different one if you want. 250 ml of cream. Now I'm using a thick cooking cream. You can use any type of cream. It can be thin or thick, it's up to you. Doesn't really matter, it's all going to work out the same. 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin, and a tablespoon of garlic. We're going to start this off with some olive oil and add some salt and pepper. Okay, so I've got my pan here, got some olive oil in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion, our garlic, and our breast chicken, which is cut really nice and thin. We're on a above medium heat. We're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, that's looking fabulous. Now I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. And now we're going to add the spinach. What I've just done with my spinach is I've just chopped it up, as you can see right here. Let's get in that little bit of oregano. Again, if you wanted, you could be using basil, thyme, tarragon, some chili flakes. Up to you where you want to go with that. Staying on this heat, we're going to go for about 4 more minutes. The spinach will reduce down as it cooks. Okay, and as you can see, the spinach is cooked down really nicely and gave off quite a bit of moisture, as it always does. At this stage, we're now going to add our cream. Like I say, 250 ml of cream, and you can use any type of cream you want, thick or thin. Let's give that a mix. We're staying on this fairly lively heat. If you wanted, you could drop some Parmesan cheese into this now, into the mix, and get that in there, mix it in with the cream. Absolutely wonderful and super easy. Okay, let's go for our pasta now. Get your cooked pasta, get it in there. Again, stay on this heat about 3 minutes, stirring all the time now. Let's get some of that sauce in, on and around your choice of pasta. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. That's done. Beautiful. I'm just going to get a bit of Parmesan grated on the top there. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.